Good morning, everyone. It's February 19th, Thursday. Yesterday was so pitiful. I only had 2 orders going out, which I didn't even send because my printer was messing up. So anyway, yeah, just the thumbnail. I just like a little consistency, wouldn't you? This up and down stuff is annoying. So how can I go from a $200 day to a $29 day? Yesterday was 149.76, and today we're off to 36.66. And yesterday I did a 6,000 item end and sell. No, I don't do a end and sell similar. End and relist. So let's get into pulling orders. I'm going to try to maybe cut this short. I say that and we'll end up with a 20-minute video. I'm hoping to head out. I was supposed to go to a estate sale today, didn't go, and instead I'm gonna go try to preview an auction and local, so it's just pretty close here. And yeah, okay, let's get into it. I have a whole bunch of airplane cards going out. I was seeing all this like, oh, you have 10 orders, you have what, and they're all like $2 postcards. Hey, I'll take $2 postcards anymore. So, how have your sales been? Are you on the up and down yo-yo, which ChatGPT couldn't get right for the life of it? Even Google Gemini couldn't get it quite right what I wanted. So we'll go with what it went with. Go with what it went with. Anyway, let's get this General Sherman Monument AY2. So, how have your sales again? Did you yo-yo? Oh, a lot in that one. Yeah, it was just. It's like my store. It's like I didn't even have an eBay store, you know? It was just pitiful. So I don't know if eBay's still messing with the site. I don't know. It just seemed like it was dead. And it just sits and spins sometimes. So hopefully they fixed it. Hopefully we're back on schedule and kind of get back to those $100 days. There's that one. Those are kind of neat cards. It's a series of them by an artist, and I don't remember the artist's name right there. I could have looked at my title. Swoden? Soden? Not sure. D26. Okay, what's this one? D26. I really don't have much else to talk about. Like this sitting and thinking, that's AI trying to figure out this postcard. They just turned everything over to AI. I'm not sure if it's saving, whatever. Is it saving server space? Is it supposed to be speeding up? But it's not doing anything except that, sitting and spinning horse shit. Boy, so mad today. I'm not. I mean, maybe I am. Maybe I'm always mad. Think this is the right one? That's the right one. So I got Whatnot on Saturday, I think. I don't know. Done a lot of Whatnot recently. I might need a little break, but the money's been better than eBay, so if I do anything, it'll be pounders. And there's still 15 boxes over there. What is that sound? There's some sound I've never heard before. In your house when you're doing something and you hear a sound and it's nothing you can identify. There was something on top of my computer like vibrating. When we first got our water softener, I don't know, a couple years ago, it does a regen where it like backwashes the system somehow. And it's over here in our unfinished area, which is right below my office upstairs. And I'm sitting in my office, and it sounded like a water pipe burst in the basement. And I come running down here, expecting just gushing water into my furnace. And no, it was just the regen system working. It still startles me every time I hear it. But again, what's this one? This is a camp in Minnesota, $7. That's fine. The way stuff's been going, I'll take anything right now. So with my 6,000 ending relist, the ending part seems like it took longer than it normally did. I try to do about an hour, and usually 10,000 takes me a little over an hour. And the 6,000 ending took long. The relisting part was fine, no issues. I didn't get any, the processing errors you always get. I didn't get any of those. The right one. And then as soon as people started watching, I'd send out 30% offers. There it is. So, got a list. Haven't been doing it. Black Hand, Inner Urban Tunnel, Ohio. So, anybody going to the shows this weekend? There are a couple of postcard shows, I believe. Oh, is this guy? Okay, good. I thought he was international. He bought a lot. Hold on, make sure he's not international. No, not international. So you got that one. You got that one. You got that one. You got that one. That one. That one. He's bought a lot from me. So thank you, Jeff. And that one. It's enough that'll probably... It's thick. It'll probably go first class, but we'll see. Let me see. D26. I think I was just in that box. D26. I want to fill up your... This is just me thinking. I'm just talking out loud. I don't know what gas prices are in your area, but what is this? Country Club? Country Club? Probably should have gone for more. You may want to fill up your gas tanks. You know how it is. Anytime some disruption happens, the prices shoot up 50 cents overnight. And then when everything's going good, it takes 3-4 weeks for that same 50 cents to get lowered. So I filled up yesterday because what, are we supposed to bomb the shit out of Iran or Iraq or whoever it is? So I did that yesterday. And I pulled out cash for the estate sale and didn't go. So I'll save that cash for postcard show, the postcard and photo show in DC, March 3rd, March 8th, coming up. With the S Corp, I always feel weird about taking money out, cash. And, back when I was just sole proprietor, I'd use my business card, credit card for personal stuff. I'd use my personal credit card to buy business stuff, and you can't do it. So I've gotten much better at keeping the two separate. It's some doing though, and every once in a while I mess up. Forever I was getting a car wash service, one of those drive-through join for, I don't know, $35 $8 a month or something like that. Well, when I first signed up for it years ago, before I became an S corp, I kept telling the guy like 4 times, cancel this credit card, business card, put it on this one, personal credit card. And he'd go over and do the machine, and every month after that, it was still on the card. So I canceled it right before Christmas. And my truck's never been dirtier. Nice arts and crafts style. I'm not sure who did that. Everett. Everett's one of the arts and crafts people. Looks like Tom came in and got some postcards. Thank you, Tom. Tom got that one. That one. So that's like $37. So yeah, these will go first class. That one. That one. Got that one. Got that one. Got that one. That one. Alright, keep going, Tom. Thank you, Tom. I don't know how many that was, but all those. It was probably 10 or 11 to get into $37. So there's that, and then someone got a, that's international. And it's not going to fit in the standard size sleeve. I like those type of airplane cells. 30 some bucks pretty quick. Okay, U29. I have no idea. It looks like I'm getting close to the end here. U29. Oof. Look at that stack. You don't need to see me struggle through that. Lobby in Atlantic City. AQ12. Choo-choo train. What else we got? AW12. AW12. Let me see. Card stays available. I've been printing batches, just a couple batches a day, not the 24/7 printings I had been doing. Postcard shows are coming up. And I found a phone number for, since no one answers emails on Postcard History, I'm going to call them. I've been meaning to, I just haven't. To advertise on their site. What is that? Sunbury, PA. Ooh, that probably didn't pick up on the microphone. PA16. I've sold enough out of this. I could probably add 2, maybe 3 more. Probably add another 150 cards to this one. That's good. What is that? Notre Dame? No. Yeah, Notre Dame. Anybody have any good buys recently? And again, if you went to a postcard show recently, let me know. I'm always curious how you guys do. If you've never been to a postcard show somewhere, I do have a video about what kind of... Actually, I have 2. I almost said what to expect while you're expecting. What to expect when you go to a postcard show. Hopefully it's helped some people with some of the tricks. And one of the biggest ones is take cash. Some places some people take checks, but you obviously got to ask and don't plan on it. The dealers that I buy from, they know that my check is good. Silver Stadium, Rochester Red Wings. Red Wings. I've actually been watching a lot of Olympics. I had all 3 hockey games on yesterday. And then it's just whatever's playing as background noise. And on humor, I think that's a whopping $1.90. Woo! Again, at this point, any sale is a good sale. I don't know how much I earn on a $1.91. So I net a $1.35, and then minus what, 75 or 74, whatever. I'll just say I can't remember, 74. It's like 60 cents. Right. I'll take it. You buy anything for 60 cents anymore? I don't think you can. Okay, I think that's it, everybody. Hopefully you have a great day. I'm not even going to rewatch this. I'm just going to, because I need to get going a little after 11. Okay, I hope your sales are good. Hopefully we see you tomorrow. I don't know. I can't say if we're going to see you tomorrow, depending on the sales. If not, try Saturday on Whatnot. Everybody have a great day. Hope you have consistent sales. We'll see you. Bye.